My lovely Aries, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Aries, today as always we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of July 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Please do not forget to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Like you may want to check your moon, rising and Venus placements as well to get a clear picture. Okay. So Arians, while shuffling and meditating for you guys, I got really specific messages. Just a disclaimer that this reading is going to resonate with only a specific few because the messages that I have been getting were very specific. Okay, one of them was the card that kept on popping out while shuffling, was mother healing. Once father healing also popped out, but mother healing popped out twice. So if any of you guys are having any arguments or tips or difference of opinions with your mom, please ensure that you resolve those, make peace. Okay, life is too short. Okay, do not hold on to grudges. Okay, let go of small things. Okay, forgive and seek forgiveness and heal your mother as well as yourself from that issue. Okay, also if your mother needs attention in terms of physical healing, please do take notice of that and take the right steps and take the right and give the needed care is what I'm getting also. Okay, I also feel that I was connecting to another group of people where someone is about to lose his or her freedom. Okay, in the sense someone is going to get into a committed relationship. But the thing is guys, I have a word of caution over here. Please make sure that you find out the right information about that person. Okay, make sure that the person is right, whoever it is, he or she. Okay, do some background check. Okay, please notice or please do not ignore if you sense any red flags. Okay, that is the word of caution that kept on coming strongly to my mind. Also it's confirmed by the crystal card that I have pulled for you guys. I am going to read that message completely for you from that book because it's an important message. Okay, and it kind of confirmed this thought that I was getting. Okay, yeah, and before we jump into your actual reading, like you must have seen, I've already laid down the card so that I can reduce the shuffle time and pass on as many messages as possible. Like last month we are going to do a 5-card spread followed by oracle card and a crystal card for your sign, and this time additionally I am adding tarot charms as the fun element. Okay, so that we can see what additional message you are going to get for this month. So stay tuned till the end. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Okay, so jumping to your reading guys, the energy in your present situation is that of Knight of Cups. Like I said, that someone is about to enter your life. This person will be there will be an age gap between you two. Okay, now this could be either your energy or other person's energy. Okay, take how it resonates guys. Either you want to go and express your love to someone or someone is coming in your life. Okay, but definitely someone is going to come and express his or her love to you. There is going to be communication, a very heartfelt communication, expression of feelings, a lot of emotions towards you, or you exchanging the same towards another person. Lot of communication is what I'm sensing over here. Maybe you guys will go out on a date as well. Like I said, this is a very specific energy guys. This is not going to resonate with everyone. The energy in your recent past is that of 10 of Swords. Now this 10 of Swords is a very painful energy. I personally feel, sorry, this is 9 of Swords. I'm sorry for that. 9 of Swords is talking about anxiety, lot of anxiety, sleeplessness, sleepless nights. You're overthinking about something, about to end something. Okay, about to come to a closure about some issue in your life. Okay, but whatever it is, it was making you feeling extremely edgy, extremely nervous. Okay, it actually gave you sleepless nights. Okay, that's the energy that I'm seeing in the recent past. Okay, maybe this new energy that is wanting to enter in your life will be a breath of fresh air for you guys. Okay, it will give you much needed change is what I feel. The energy in your immediate future is that of Eight of Pentacles. Now this could be you. I feel that this is strongly your energy, Arians. You are working, you're very much focused on your work, okay? You're very much focused on building your career, achieving your goals, okay? I feel that some of you guys have set some targets for yourself in terms of achievements, professional achievements, I would say, and you are working very diligently towards them. You are very much focused. It's like you have channeled all your energy into your work, okay? Whatever this sleeplessness is about, okay, whatever this anxiety is about, this could be your personal life, but whatever that is, okay, you are trying to distract yourself by putting all your focus and energy into your work, is what I'm seeing over here. Definitely these two cards are your energy, is what I'm sensing over here. The energy in the obstacles place is that of Knight of Pentacles. Now I feel that some of you guys are sitting in the energy of a little impatience. I'll not blame you, because Knight of Pentacles is the slowest card in the deck, guys. I feel that you guys are sitting in the energy of it's like, okay, I'm putting so much of efforts, I'm doing so much of hard work, but still I'm not seeing the results of my hard work. Okay, when will I see the results of my hard work? Okay, when am I going to get what I am working so hard towards? Okay, that kind of energy I'm sensing over here. But please note that, guys, even if this is a slow energy, it's a short energy. Okay, know that whatever you are working towards, you're going to get the fruits of your labor. Okay, you're going to get the benefits, or it's going to, or basically your hard work is going to pay off. This is definitely confirmed by this Wheel of Fortune. Okay, it has come in your advice card, guys. So the universe or the gods or whoever you believe in, the supreme power, they want to tell you that yes, your life is about to change. Okay, all your hardships are going to be worth it. Okay, the wheel is going to take another turn, a major shift. Okay, a major shift, and this is going to be that event in your life where you'll feel like, wow, everything was worth it. Okay, all the hardships, all the pain, all the hard work, blood, sweat, whatever you have put in, or whatever you have gone through in the last few days, months, weeks, okay, every single thing was worth it. Okay, that is what confirmation I'm getting from this Wheel of Fortune. So just hang in there, guys. You are definitely going to get the benefits of your hard work. That's what I'm getting over here. The overall energy is that of Justice. Yes, it is again confirming this Wheel of Fortune energy, guys. So don't feel that life is unfair, unjust. Okay, even if you're not seeing the results right now, know that God is working for your highest good in the background. You're going to get the justice. Okay, you're going to get whatever it is that you have worked so diligently towards, whatever papers you have been waiting for, whatever legal documents you are waiting for, they are going to come through. Maybe it could be related to someone's visa. If you're wanting to travel abroad and have been waiting for the visa, it's going to come through. If you are waiting for a property deal to get through, it's going to come through. If you are waiting for your divorce papers, it's going to come through. Whatever legal matters you have been waiting for, it's going to be in your favor, and you're going to get that legal document, okay, that confirms it legally. Some of you might also get married over here. Three of Cups, a reason for celebration. Definitely yes, why not? Like, you're going to get this justice, you're going to get the legal confirmation, legal stamp over something. So it definitely calls for a celebration. So see how you're holding your cup high, you are like in that victorious mode, like, yes, finally I've got it. It's an emotional, it's an overwhelming achievement, and you would definitely want to celebrate it with your family and friends, okay, with your loved ones. That's the energy I'm getting over here. Four of Pentacles, yes, definitely this is going hand in hand with this Eight of Pentacles. You guys, I strongly feel, are waiting for something. You guys have some specific targets, okay, like for example, I want to buy a particular car, okay, and so I'm going to work hard towards achieving my goals, okay. I'm going to work hard and I'm going to save money for that, okay. So I see that energy over here. You're saving money for something, or probably you had some property in your mind and you wanted to get that and you have worked hard and saved every penny for that. So that's what I also see over here. Definitely making some savings to achieve your goals is what I'm seeing. Death card, guys, definitely there is ending. Okay, death card and wheel of fortune is a very lovely progression. I really like it when I get this combination. This confirms the cycle of life. Okay, after an ending there is always a new beginning. Okay, that is what is confirmed and reinforced over here, and I absolutely love it when I get this card. So no matter how painful the recent past has been, because there is this moon energy also. Okay, definitely the recent times have been tough for you guys. It was not easy. There were some dark secrets, there were some truths, sorry, there were some hidden truths, or there were some lies, okay, that you had come across, you have dealt with, backstabbing maybe, okay, betrayal, whatever heartache it was that has led to the death of that situation, okay, ending of that situation, maybe at workplace, maybe at personal front, whatever it is. But after that door shuts, a new door is definitely going to open up for you guys. What a lovely energy this is. Yes, and there is Queen of Cups again. Now, like I said, this is going to be a very emotional period for some of you guys. It's not going to be an easy one. There will be a lot of emotions. Your emotions are going to run very high during this period. You'll feel a lot of sorrow, lot of misery. The moon card also talks about depression. Some of you guys might tend to get into depression mode, okay, but just hang in there, okay, just hang in there, guys. Work on yourself, okay, put some efforts into yourself, your emotional well-being, and just hang in there. The wheel of life is going to turn for better, is all I can tell you at this point of time. Yes, this by the way, this moon card also tells me about being a little more cautious about the energy that is about to enter your life, okay. Things might not be as they appear to your eye, so please do try to find out more and more about that person before saying yes or before making any decision, okay. That's the message that I'm getting yet again, okay. Just a word of caution. There is no harm being extra cautious and careful. Yes, the oracle, the card that we have got for you guys is explore your options. It's time to look at other possibilities. It's a good time to make change, okay. And why not, guys? There is this death card, okay. Definitely something in your life is ending, and it's the universe is confirming that, okay, the door is closed now. You have learned your lessons, or learn your lessons, and start looking for other options now. Just keep on moving ahead. The wheel must always keep on moving, okay. Wheel of life always needs to keep on moving, and it is going to move. So just don't remain in a stuck energy. Explore your options, explore life, is what universe is saying. And interestingly, guys, there is this malachite card that has been crystal that has been pulled out for you guys. I'm going to read it because it has a very specific message for you guys, and you out to hear this message, okay. So the card says, it brings to light ingrained programming and toxic beliefs. An amulet against pain. This is a powerful stone for emotional transformation. It stimulates the survival instinct. Unconscious programs or belief cause psychosomatic disease. Go willingly into depths. Therapy may be needed. Your deepest fears become your greatest gifts as hidden abilities come to light. Okay, go where angels fear to treat to bring back insights for your own healing and that of others. Explore your depths. Again, this is also written in this card, and this is also confirmed by this. You must explore your options, guys. Danger threatens. Not all is as it seems. Wow, this is like, didn't I say you? This message has been coming very loud and clear to me right from the meditation, guys. Not all is as it seems. So please do find out whatever this energy is trying to come out. Even if it's a new job opportunity that is coming your way, okay, please try to find out about that company, about that job, that profile that is being offered to you. If it's a personal energy that is coming to your way, please find out more and more information about that person. Stand firm in your power. Have no fear. You survive. Protect yourself against unseen forces of powerful minds that manipulate you. Okay. Take a course to call up past life skills. Spread your wings. Do not become embroiled with a charismatic man. Yeah, oh my goodness, this message is being confirmed again and again in this reading, okay. So now I have said it enough times, guys, and it has been confirmed enough times by the spirit guides and angels through this reading, so you know what to do now. Detoxifying your mind, body and emotions and recognizing deep psychosomatic causes of diseases are a path to well-being. This is going hand in hand with the moon card. Okay, like I said, some of you guys might be feeling a little depressed. Okay, so please take the right help, seek help of counselors, seek help of your friends, family. Reach out, okay, talk to people, okay, and deal it in the right way possible. Okay guys, now comes let's come to the last part of the reading, and I have been so excited about this. Like I said, I'm going to create out some tarot charms for you guys and see what extra messages that we get for you guys. So let's see how many I want to pull. 1, 2, 3, maybe I missed that. Okay, 3, 4. I think that's enough. 4 messages, 4 additional messages for you guys. Strong is beautiful. Wow, it's a lovely message. I'm sure you won't be able to see it. It's a very strong, it's a very small charm, but strong is beautiful is what is written over here. So stay strong, hang in there. Treat through the difficult times courageously is what I'm getting over here. Wow, you are always in my heart. Like I said, some new energy is about to enter someone's life, so that person might want to express this to you. You are always in my heart, okay? You would want to express this to someone, okay? And it's such a beautiful message, guys. Lovely message. Yeah, make a wish. Well, nice message again. Make a wish and work towards manifesting it, guys. It's a very lovely message. I got the same charm for Capricorn. Yeah, Capricorn. So if you have Capricorn in your chart, do check out that reading as well. It had this charm in it. Yes. She believed she could, so she did. What a lovely message, guys. I'm not sure if I had pulled the same charm in Capricorn also. Guys, do check out Capricorn reading if it is there in your birth chart. I think I had pulled this charm as well in that, okay? She believed she could, so she did. What a lovely message and confirmation. And if this is you, I'm so proud of you guys. So proud of you guys. So Arians, I leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. If any of this is your story, please give it a thumbs up, okay? Drop comments, share your experiences, okay? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so I'll leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly now. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.